Hi, this is Litre Auto Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Holden Trax, stock number 6368. This ran from the 8th 2013 to the 12th 2020. It has a TJ 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a TJ 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 18-inch fat alloy mag tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, one scratch in the corner. Right rear tail light. Right rear 18-inch fat alloy mag tyre. Right rear door, 2 dents. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 18-inch fat alloy mag tyre. Right front door guard, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,